So executive information system, it provides key information or an important information which is gathered from internal and external sources to senior executives and managers, and it also accomplishes the multiple purposes of decision making and communicating information or communicating data and providing awareness. So we took from William and Daniel in 1994. There is a repository from where we found important information about executive information system. So these are the benefits of an executive information system, where drill down, analysis, graphical information, textual information, reporting. So these are very important, or the key benefits of an executive information system. So number one is drill down, where drill down is nothing, it's an examination of underlying information, online data, which is very important for analysis, and what type of data we are examining, or what type of data or information we are analyzing, that would be converted into a graphical information as well as a textual information, and whatever the outcome, so on the basis of that particular item we will report that output. And again, if we will need about the drill down analysis or examine that particular data and information, then we will report in further manner. So these are the interface features of executive information system, where number of databases were available in executive information system, like dimensional or multi-dimensional, timeliness of the data, where we have the foundation of time in that particular data, that the data is available only for a specific purpose. And graphics, one of the most compelling reasons for the success of early EIS and was their graphics, and a big improvement over the text-based screens then in use. So thus we can say that the graphic environments are common today, but it continued to use highly graphic screens and menus as a major feature. So decision support activities, as we have already discussed, that EIS is a part of DSS. DSS stands for Decision Support System, where we have already discussed that drill down is an analysis, is the ability to start from an aggregated number and then examine, drill down to the more detailed underlying data, or we can say that the information, whereas data is a raw facts and figure, whereas information is the refined form of data. And integration with spreadsheets, like in Excel. So executive information system are integrated with spreadsheets. So whatever data we have, whatever the information we have, that be stored in spreadsheets. This integration facilitates the analysis of data using the full capabilities of the spreadsheet. And decision support system is more sophisticated analysis tools than those provided by standard spreadsheets. And the last one is the knowledge discovery.